Hi, creators. I'm Darusha. I'm the co-founder of Dapps, a decentralized social network. So, what if you could perhaps launch your own token and get paid every time people support you? Most platforms take a cut, limit your earnings, and you get paid pennies for your work. Dapps flips that. It's a social platform where you launch your own token like it is your own mini economy. Your audience can collect it or trade it, and you earn from every transaction and engagement. No coding, no token setup hassle. I will personally onboard you, help you with strategy, launch, as well as growth. Every creator gets OG perks, promotions, token rewards, and direct monetization from day one. If you're a creator, you're a founder, you're a podcaster, if you're an artist, you're a builder, educator, or a gamer, or a coach, or if you're running any kind of community, this is for you. If you want in, comment interested or DM me. And if you refer a creator who joins, you also earn, quite a few rewards. So let's help creators build real economies, not just audiences.